Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jadesola Samuel, and on this channel we do all things 4C hair or natural hairstyles. Today I'm going to be showing you guys like a very quick, very simple style that you can do with your clip-ins, and I'm just gonna go take out some of my braids and I'm going to come right back. Okay, I'm back. I've taken out what I need to take out. I'm just going to part my hair as best as I can from this angle. This is very hard. I didn't even I haven't done anything. Okay. I think this is good enough for me for now. I guess it doesn't have to be straight. So what I'm gonna do now, I have my clip-ins here. So I'm gonna find the 4 clip. There it is. And the plan is to kind of like make another part that's like in between, like split that section in half and then put the clip-ins in between somehow. Oh, ow. Okay, I think I finally like gotten a good enough part. So basically I split the front section into half. I'm just gonna put the other half away. And then I'm going to grab the clip in. I'm gonna put it this way. I think I'm gonna put it forward. Or should I put it backwards? I'm gonna try forward. Let me see. Yep, I think the 4 clip is fine. Okay, so now that I have the twist out of the way, I'm going to put the clip-ins in the back, like for the back portion of my head. So I have 2 sets of clip-ins. I have 14-inch and 12-inch. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put the 12-inch at the bottom and then the 14 on top, so it's like kind of full and looks realistic and nice. Of course I'm going to retwist the twist, but let's just ignore it for now. But yeah, I'm just going to go and fill in the back of my head. Now I'm going to revisit this situation over here. Okay, so I'm gonna start to twist and I'm going to try my best to get some, like a really strong twist. But if it doesn't come out like super strong, I'm not mad because I think it will just help to blend anyways. Yeah, I think the twist started out strong but kind of died in the middle. But it's fine. Okay, I'm just gonna grab some hairpins and take care of the back. So I think I finally got a twist that I kind of like after retwisting it for like 3 times. So I'm just going to take the twist and I'm going to put it like here and then behind, like at the very back of my head, and then it's covered by the clip-ins anyways, so that it doesn't kind of show. Just grabbing a hair clip. And there we have it. Like, it's not perfect, but given that I set myself up, guys, I set myself up so bad. I came on camera for the first time doing this hairstyle. I came on camera to do it. Like, that's so dumb, but anyways, I do it for love. I do it for love. But yeah, I added a few more clips in the back to like make it more, you know. I still have this one piece that's like pissing me off, but I'm just going to try my best and just tuck that in because I don't want to be bothered by it. I don't even know exactly which one it is. So, but yeah, y'all know I don't be doing my edges. So this is it. This is the hairstyle. This is the hairstyle. This is what the top of my head is looking like. Not perfect, but it works. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. It was supposed to be super quick. Hopefully it ended up being super quick, but yeah, thumbs up if you like this style and if you like to see more hairstyles from me. This deceives people. This definitely deceives people. People will be looking at you like, is that your real hair? And you'd be like, no, but I bought it, so it's mine, you know. Yeah. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Share with your friends, your natural sisters, your natural friends, and give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.